The project is a house in a new residential area. There are additional rooms for shared houses on one side. The room was the husband's office, and on the other, it was the living room for when the client's parents, who now live in the neighborhood, came to the house. Separated the volume into the room and the rest of the space, with the entrance in between, and applied it to the façade design. This allows the clients to switch on and off when working at home, and also serves as a gentle separation from the client's parents when they live together. Meanwhile, in terms of functionality, it introduces airtight insulation and introduces a ventilation system, aiming for comfortable living at a uniform temperature. Throughout the house, the facade made of successive cubes, resembling parents and children, will become a symbol of the area and fits the city perfectly.